Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's right here. So today I'll be showing you how to prepare some baked donuts. Baked donuts are so healthy because we don't use oil in making them. So if you're someone who doesn't prefer deep fried donuts, stay tuned and see how to make yourself some healthy donuts. So in this recipe we shall be using 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, and give it a quick mix. And then I'll go in with half cup yogurt. Just a quick mix. And then milk, half cup milk. So I'm using standard measuring cups. This bit by bit. So when they all mix together, I then go in with 2 tablespoons of butter. So this is salted butter. I will not be adding salt. And then cover and let it sit for 1 hour. So since we are making baked donuts, this is one of the items we need while making the donuts. It's much easier, but if you don't have it, you can still use a cup and then a bottle cover to make the donut. So our dough has been sitting for 1 hour and it's time to make the donuts. So we just roll out our dough, just like how the normal donuts are made. I mean, how the fried donuts are made. So we just get our donut cutter and then place it on the dough and squeeze. So you can see this is a very good size and they'll all be uniform. Just like that. So we shall set it aside and let it proof about 30 minutes. So after second proofing, we just rub it with some egg. And then off to bake. Well, our donuts are ready. Just look at that. So with baked donuts, we have to top them with some dissected coconut. So these are coconut flakes. So I'll be using some honey to put on top. If you have no honey, you can use a sugar syrup. You can just boil some sugar in water. If it thickens, you let it cool and then pour it on top. Then we'll sprinkle the coconut flakes. And there we go. We've got ourselves baked donuts. The aroma from the coconut flakes is just so nice. There. So soft. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.